A very happy salad Sunday. Well, that's when this was posted. If you're looking at it on a different day, happy whatever day. So today we're going to make this nice, quick, easy potato salad. We've got sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, and a olive oil and cumin dressing with fresh mint. It's very, very simple, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So very simple and delicious. What we've got here is sweet potatoes, and here regular potatoes, cut in the same sort of shape, and I've peeled them both and I've boiled them, so they're both cooked, both now cold. About 3 cups. 2 cups each of white onion and bell pepper sliced nice and thin, and then there 1 cup of fresh mint. So I've got a large mixing bowl, and very simply we're going to get our ingredients in and give it a little mix up. So you can see both types of potato there, the fresh mint's in there. I'm not even chopping it, I'm just going to put the leaves in like that. The onion, white onion I think works good in this one, and you can see that I've cut that, you know, nice and thin like that. Pretty much the same as the bell pepper. I like red in this, you can change the color to that, but you get a nice sweetness from that. And then at this stage we're going to go salt and black pepper. And by the way, I didn't add salt to the water when I cooked either of the potatoes. Let's give that a mix. So I just gave that a little mix up. That is beautiful. I like that just like that. Let's get some dressing though on that and complete this beautiful salad. So this is a really, really simple dressing that I'm making. In there I've got 1 cup of olive oil, and here I've got some white vinegar. I've got 2 tablespoons. This is cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. And very simply I'm going to give that a little mix. And then we're going to pour that over our salad and give that 1 more little mix. Job done. Very beautiful. And there you have it, a lovely salad posted for you on a Sunday morning. Happy Salad Sunday. Keep safe, keep well. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.